The universe we inhabit is a magnificent tapestry, woven with threads of mystery and marvels that challenge the limits of our imagination. Its vastness is almost unimaginable. Billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, stretch across the cosmos. Picture a silhouette of the night sky transformed into a pulsating canvas where every flicker represents an unfathomable distance, glimmering at us from a realm almost 93 billion light-years wide and expanding ever onward, beckoning us to explore further. Among the enigmatic entities in this cosmic dance are black holes. Visualize regions in space where gravity reigns supreme, bending the fabric of space-time itself. Here, light waves spiral desperately, unable to escape the confines of their event horizons. Within these dark abysses, time behaves erratically. Along their edges, moments slow, dilating into infinity, leaving us to marvel at supermassive black holes that cradle the mass of millions of suns within a fathomless sea of darkness. Then, consider the peculiar nature of dark matter, which constitutes around 85% of the universe's mass, yet remains an invisible force. It cloaks itself from sight, influencing galaxies like an unseen puppeteer. As if that were not enough, dark energy emerges, occupying about 70% of the universe, driving its expansion at an accelerating pace. This invisible agent remains a tantalizing enigma, urging us to uncover what lies beneath its veil of mystery. In the quantum realm, we encounter a captivating phenomenon known as quantum entanglement. Imagine pairs of particles intricately linked across vast distances, where a flick of one influences the other, irrespective of the miles that stretch between them. This eerily synchronous behavior defies our conventional understanding of space and time, making us wonder if our grasp on reality is more fragile than we believe. Neutron stars present another astounding aspect of the universe. Their dense cores, born from the explosive deaths of massive stars, picture a mass more than 4 times that of our sun, crammed into a sphere no larger than your hometown. These stellar remnants occasionally emit rhythmic pulses of radiation like cosmic lighthouses, their beams sweeping through the fabric of space and time in a mesmerizing cosmic ballet. The notion of a multiverse invites contemplation, suggesting that our universe may merely be one of countless realms. Imagine parallel universes thriving alongside our own, each with distinct physical laws and myriad possibilities, where alternate versions of ourselves play out different destinies. It's a reality that invites both awe and heartbreak in equal measure. The Big Bang serves as the grand prologue to cosmic history, where the universe erupted from an infinitesimal singularity in a colossal expansion. Picture an ever-expanding universe crafting galaxies and stars, while the echoes of cosmic inflation shape its destiny. As it expands, a haunting inevitability emerges, a distant future where galaxies drift apart, fading into a cold, desolate void, a big freeze where cosmic connections may eventually dissolve. Lastly, consider the strange nature of time itself, as dictated by Einstein's theory of relativity. Time is not the constant we often perceive. Imagine standing near a black hole where each second feels drawn out against the rapid ticks of clocks far away. A surreal dance of moments that challenges our understanding. This twisting of time and space serves as a reminder of the universe's majestic complexity, urging us to look deeper and embrace the mysteries it holds. The universe captivates the imagination with its astonishing scale, an immense expanse that seems almost unfathomable. Imagine gazing into a night sky peppered with countless stars, each representing a distant galaxy. These galaxies, numbering in the billions, each harbor billions of stars, creating a breathtaking tapestry of cosmic grandeur. The observable universe spans about 93 billion light-years in diameter, yet this is merely a glimpse into a realm that continues to expand beyond our reach, hinting at a universe still shrouded in mystery. Delving deeper, we encounter the enigmatic phenomenon of black holes, regions where gravitational pull becomes so intense that even light is ensnared. Picture a swirling void where time and space bend and twist, leading to an event horizon that conceals secrets from the outside world. Supermassive black holes, found at the cores of galaxies, carry the mass of millions or even billions of suns, illustrating the staggering power of these cosmic behemoths. Dark matter and dark energy further enrich this cosmic narrative, posing intriguing questions about the fabric of our universe. Strikingly, around 85% of the universe's mass is composed of dark matter, which remains elusive and invisible, eluding all forms of detection while influencing the movements of stars and galaxies. Meanwhile, dark energy, an enigmatic force accounting for about 70% of the universe's energy, fuels its accelerated expansion, leaving scientists grappling to unravel its true essence. In the quantum realm, particles dance in a realm of interconnectedness through the phenomenon of quantum entanglement. Imagine two particles so intricately linked that altering the state of one instantaneously affects the other, regardless of the vast distance between them. This connection seems to defy our understanding of space and time, evoking Einstein's phrase, spooky action at a distance. Neutron stars, remnants of colossal supernova explosions, present another breathtaking aspect of the universe. Compressed into a sphere the size of a city, a neutron star boasts a mass roughly 4 times that of our Sun, creating a density so extreme that a spoonful would weigh as much as an entire mountain. Pulsars, a type of neutron star, emit rhythmic beams of radiation, akin to a cosmic lighthouse signaling across the dark expanse of space. The theory of the multiverse adds yet another layer to our cosmic understanding, suggesting that our universe may be one of many. Imagine a collection of universes, each governed by distinct physical laws, teeming with alternate versions of ourselves, potentially leading lives divergent from our own. The mind reels at the thought of infinite possibilities existing in parallel. Finally, the Big Bang Theory spins a captivating tale of cosmic origins, proposing that our universe erupted from a singular, infinitely dense point, expanding rapidly in a phenomenon called cosmic inflation. This expansion continues today, hinting at a future of cosmic isolation, where galaxies drift apart until lost from one another's sight. As we explore the cosmos, we find time itself is not constant, warping near massive objects or at speeds close to light, leading to thought-provoking implications about our very existence.